Today we're announcing our grand summer sale. This is 30% off of PHLEARN Pro, which is our subscription service available on PHLEARN.com. You're gonna get access to literally every single tutorial we've ever made. It's thousands and thousands of hours of Photoshop, photography, and Lightroom knowledge. It's running now, August 17th, all the way to Sunday, August 21st. Use the coupon code SUMMERSALE to save 30% off of everything. And now let's go ahead and jump into the site and give you an idea of what you can get. So I wanted to start this off by saying I don't really talk about PHLEARN Pro here a lot on YouTube. I really love giving out education for free, and I don't like trying to sell stuff all the time. That being said, there are a lot of people who don't know that we have PHLEARN Pro available, and we have our free tutorials, which we release on YouTube, and then we have hundreds and hundreds of pro tutorials, which are hours long of in-depth knowledge, photography, Photoshop, and Lightroom, as well as presets available, all on PHLEARN Pro as part of a subscription. And again, right now it's 30% off. So the normal price, it's $99 a year as a subscription. With 30% off, it turns out to be about $69.99 a year, which is about $5.83 a month. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you can learn. So we're here on our homepage of PHLEARN. You can see we release new pro tutorials all the time. We just released this one. This one is super cool. How to create shadows from scratch in Photoshop. If you ever try to do compositing or something like that, we show you the best way to create realistic shadows. Now let's go ahead down here. We've got our popular pro tutorials, and you can just click right here on Explore More. But we've got Beginner's Guide to Photoshop, Master Sharpening, this is super cool, Master Luminosity Mask, Photoshop 101 to 301, a super in-depth course telling you everything you need to know about Photoshop and even how to create levitation. Now, learning paths, this is a fantastic way to kind of like figure out where to start and where to go depending on what you actually want to learn. For instance, when I click on our retouching learning path, we have our intro to retouching in Photoshop. Then we move into master sharpening, dodge and burning, correcting exposure, more specific things like eyes and hair, clothing and fabric, product retouching for e-commerce, that's a huge one, and then even how to like master frequency separation retouching and professional beauty retouching. Let's just jump back here to the home page where you can see everything is like perfectly organized, super easy to learn. Of course, you get access to all of our free tutorials as well, all the download materials like the sample images and PSDs, and our like super popular series, 30 Days of Photoshop. So if you're ever wondering like, how do I get started in Photoshop? This 30 Days of Photoshop is an incredible series. Now, again, we have like Learn Professional Retouching and all of these tutorials on how to learn professional retouching. This one is awesome, frequency separation retouching. If you don't know about frequency separation, this is like the most amazing way to retouch photos. You can see every single pro tutorial includes a trailer. If I scroll down to here, you can see what we're actually working with. So all of these different sections here, you can see there's actually 26 videos included in this tutorial alone, and you can even hit play on your like free little sample to get an idea of what you're gonna learn. So you can watch part of these tutorials without signing up. But here's everything is broken down into our table of contents, giving you a great idea of like where you're going with this tutorial. It saves your place so you can come back and get to it at any time. So you can see in this case, it's 6.75 hours long, 26 videos, and we've got 161 5-star reviews. Let's just scroll down a little bit here. Again, everything is included so you can follow along the tutorial, but all of our before and after. So here you can see this is our before and our after. You're gonna learn how to do all of this stuff completely from scratch with the original raw files. There's our before, and well, that's actually the before, and scrolling into the after. Learn professional retouching, all of these things where we highlight like how to fix all of these little defects, and like this is some really, really great stuff. So let's go down to the reviews here. You can see this is hundreds of 5-star reviews, so you can get an idea of what's actually included in this tutorial. Now, we're talking about pro tutorials. Let's just get an idea of some of the popular ones here. This one is awesome, better than HDR. This is Master Luminosity Mask. This is basically creating like your own version of exposure blending. So just click on here, you can see there's the before and after, like all this information that you think maybe you didn't have with the original photo. Look at this, you can actually get it back and improve your photos, like get back detail you didn't know you had. Again, here we have our free sections here, and then going into the tutorial, 133 5-star reviews, and it's 3.5 hours. Let's go back here. We have our ultimate guide to retouching, shows you everything you need to know, 65 5-star reviews, 9.75 hours. So you're seeing there's like, this was 20 hours long. It's just an incredible knowledge base that'll teach you everything you've ever wanted to know about Lightroom, Photoshop, and photography. This is so much fun. This Photography 101 tutorial, we had an absolute blast making this tutorial. You can see it's almost 15 hours long, and we go in depth every single one of these images. You'll be able to see like the lighting, the camera settings, exactly how we set this up, go behind the scenes in the photography, like on set, and see how we did everything. Super, super fun. Now, let's go back to our homepage. Of course, we have our pro tutorials. You'll get access to all of the free tutorials, 30 days of Photoshop, as well as presets. We have Lightroom presets. You can download our sample 10 packs to see if this is right for you. Everything that we have, like our color grading LUTs here as well, work on Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere, and After Effects. We all have sample packs, so you can get there, see if this works for you, and if it does, great. Use the free sample packs. If you want to learn more or keep using these assets, well, you can join PHLEARN Pro and you get literally access to everything. So let's go here. We're just going to click on sign up real quick. This is our this is the pricing. We haven't actually put the sale yet right now. So you can see this is the normal pricing is 99 bucks a year with the 30% off using the coupon code summer sale, all one word. It turns out to be $69.99 a month, which is $5.83. So you get access to literally everything, as well as pro customer service. So if you have a specific Photoshop related question, you get professional Photoshop support included with PHLEARN Pro. You can create an account, and then of course, when you're actually logged into your account, there we go, you'll be able to access your previously watched. You can create favorites and create your own list, so you can go back and watch your tutorials at any time. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and click right up here at the little hamburger menu. You're going to be able to see all of your learning paths: Photoshop, Lightroom, retouching, compositing, photography, all of your pro tutorials, your pro downloads, including the actions, presets, color grading, LUTs, all of your free tutorials, and then of course our community section where you can actually get featured and suggest tutorials that you'd like to learn. This one's awesome, by the way, also how to create a glow effect in Photoshop. Let's scroll down to see the before and after. That's the before and the after. We do all of this in Photoshop. You get all of the sample images and PSDs to follow along. Thanks again. Again, the sale is running right now, Wednesday, August 17th to the 21st of August. It's 30% off of everything site-wide, and that's using the coupon code summer sale, all one word. And thanks so much for watching this. I know it's like an ad and I'm talking about sales and stuff like that, but I was like, you know what? A lot of people on YouTube don't even know we have PHLEARN Pro as an option, and I'm sure they want to really learn how to take their skills to the next level when it comes to Photoshop, Lightroom, and photography. So now is literally the perfect time. Alrighty, thanks so much. I'll PHLEARN you later. Bye, everyone.